after the atmosphere is formed, lithosphere is formed, and then after the lithosphere is formed, water surface come from when water vapor give rise up to the Earth atmosphere due to the condensation. Due to the कंडेंसेशन होकर बारिश की फॉर्म में आने लगती है और हमारे आर्ट में water present होता है. This is about the origin of evolution and origin of art. And next is interior of the art. After we have learned all this, next is the interior of the art. From interior of the art, we know that our art consists of crust, mantle, core, etc. And we have to look. We are curious, isn't it? What is present in the crust? What is present in the mantle? What is present in the core? We are curious, isn't it? We want to know what is present. By geologists and scientists, they say that crust content of shell and sima. Shell stand for silicon, Al stand for aluminium, and Si stand for silicon. And in the after the water cycle, the water organism fog, fumes, and other full the precipitation. And from the precipitation, the hydrosphere, the water. And how is the present day atmosphere and hydrosphere formed? The present composition of our atmosphere is chiefly contributed to our atmosphere is filled about 79% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and some 0.3 carbon dioxide, and some traces mineral, some gases, iron gases. And the present composition of our atmosphere is chiefly contributed by nitrogen and oxygen. The composition of the earth from the when living organisms start when living organisms start evolving in the earth, and due to the process of the photosynthesis, the oxygen are start producing, and following this, the other gas also and form the present day atmosphere. After the atmosphere is formed, due to the evaporation of heat, water from the lithosphere goes up to the atmosphere, and then from the atmosphere it condenses, forming the water cycle and origin and evolution of art. Class in geography, around 15 question is asked every year in prelims, and in environment 12 to 15 question, roughly combining this 30 to 35 marks, 60 to 60 mark has been 60 mark has been come from geography and environment in UPSC prelims, and in UPSC mains around 90 to 92 marks has been come from geography portion, and around 50 marks from environment portion in mains. For geography, class 11 and the class 12 is known as class 12 NCRT is known as the Bible of the UPSC prelim geography portion, and along with we have to do map also. First, let's start with the origin and evolution. So, chapter number 1 or chapter number 2, origin and evolution of the art. How our art is origin of the universe. Our universe was first formed from a singular point after in 1920, which is known as the Big Bang hypothesis. From a single point, the point singular point, the point explode and the point explode. It was given by in 1920 Hubble in 1920, and when the singular point was explored, and then they were dispersed in the universe, and due to process of heat, temperature, and condensation, today solar system, planet, and celestial body are formed. And now also the universe is expanding. For example, in the beginning, all matter formed the universe existed in the all matter forming the universe exists in one place in the form of a tiny ball. At the Big Bang, the tiny ball exploded violently. This led to the huge expansion. It is now general this event was take place before 3.7 billion years ago, and after within 3,000 years from the Big Bang, temperature dropped to 4,500 Kelvin temperature, and then they are condensed and form the present day planets and celestial body. Formation of planet. How planets are formed. How stars are formed. The distribution of matter and energy. Distribution of matter and energy was not even in the early universe. This initial division gave rise to different gravity. They formed after the Big Bang explosion. The galaxies start accumulating, and then galaxies start to form by accumulation of hydrogen gas in the form of hydrogen. Star is composed of hydrogen and helium gas, and then this hydrogen gas clump and condense, eventually forming cloud of gas known as nebula. After that, the clump continued to grow. Even the clump grow and denser with gases body, and then the formation of star take place. How planets are formed. The following are considered. The star are localized lump of gas within a nebula. The gravitational force within the lump lead to the formation of a core to a gas cloud and huge rotation around the disks. In the glass cloud planets are formed from the gas cloud. The gas cloud start condense and matter. The gas cloud condense due to temperature and heat, and matter around the core develop into rounded object. This object on the process of cohesion this develop into plantesimal, and due to the gravitational force of the universe and the earth, and then from the small plantesimal it formed the present day planet and the present day solar system. And regarding formation of Earth, first of all, how lithosphere are formed. Do you know how lithosphere are formed? The Earth was in a volatile state during the primordial phase due to the gradual increase of density and pressure. Due to gradual density and pressure, the temperature inside the crust increase, and therefore as a result the material inside gets separated depending on the density. This allow density difference, the heavy metal sink below the earth's surface, and the lighter one move upward. Denser materials sink down, and lighter material sink up. That is the lithosphere or the crust. And the process of differentiation, in which the difference denser layer sink down and upper layer float up, and then due to the process of depression goes due to the process of differentiation, the material got different layer starting from the, and then the lithosphere is formed. In the lithosphere there are three main layer: mantle, core, mantle crust, mantle core. And how is